Do you ever have a big block of text in your training and you think, I'd love to turn this into something interactive, like this tabs interaction, or maybe these flashcards, but you know that turning that actually into an interactive block will take some time. You'll need to rewrite the copy. You might need to, paste things into a few different interactions until you find one you like. Let me show you how easy this is to do with our instant convert feature in AI Assistant in Rise. So you can see I'm on this block. I chose the sparkle icon, and I could say, let's actually see what this looks like as a table, right? So AI Assistant will take what it knows about what makes a good table, and it'll turn my content that quickly into a table. I can also go ahead and say, all right, now let's see what this looks like as a process block. And again, AI Assistant will take what it knows about what makes a good process block and turn my content, the copy, everything into a new block. So a really cool way to just test out different block types in Articulate. And I hope you all enjoy trying it out.